Welcome 3D printer fans. In this video I'm going to take you through the steps required to use your FlashForge Adventurer 3 or Monoprice Voxel printer with the Cura slicer. The Monoprice Voxel is just a rebranded Adventurer 3, so the steps here should be the same whichever one you're using. Let's get started. I've also written this guide up in text form over on my blog. I'll refer to it for the required links for the software you need to download. I'll put a link to the blog post on the screen now and down in the description. If you haven't done so already, the first thing to do is download and install Cura from Ultimaker's website. Once you've installed Cura, go through the setup process until you get to this screen asking you to add a printer. Select Add Non-Network Printer, then scroll down to the Custom section. Select Custom FFF Printer and hit Next. On this screen, set the width, depth and height each be 150mm, then tick the origin at center and heated bed box. In the Start G-code and End G-code box, delete everything that is already there. Then, from my blog post, copy the text for the Start and End G-code respectively. Then go to the Extruder 1 tab and set the compatible material size to 1.75mm. With your printer added to Cura, slice the model with your chosen settings and save the produced G-code file. We now have to transfer that file to your printer. You have a couple of options for doing that. You can use a USB drive, copy it onto there, put the USB drive into the printer, and then select your file from the Build menu. To do that, however, you must first rename the file from .gcode to .g, otherwise the printer won't see it. Another option is to transfer the file over the network. To make this simpler, I wrote a simple little app called Adventurer Client that will allow you to manage your print and send your file over the network. To use it, simply enter the IP address of your printer, which is available from the network menu of the printer. I hope this video was useful to you, and I hope you have fun printing with Cura and your 3D printer. Goodbye.